How to reset Netflix password. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and type Netflix. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon. Now open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Now at the top right corner, simply tap on the sign in button. Again wait for some time. Now enter your email address. Now once you're done, simply scroll down. Now tap on forgot password. Now, now again enter your email address and tap on email me. Now wait for some time. Now go back to the home screen and open up your Gmail application. Now open up Netflix email. Now tap on reset password. Now wait for some time. Now create new password and click on save to save your new password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.